The soaring Noida skyline, dotted with towering high-rises. With expressways running long and wide and bulky new skyscrapers nearing completion every day, this real estate capital paints a defining picture of a changing Uttar Pradesh. Less than 30 kilometers from the seat of power, the Gautam Budh Nagar constituency is home to over 7 lakh urban voters, whose political reticence makes the electoral battle here unpredictable and suspenseful. This has traditionally been a BJP citadel. This time it's a three-way contest. Joint SP Congress candidate Mahendra Singh Nagar takes on a fellow doctor and BJP strongman Mahesh Sharma. Even as a beleaguered BSP looks to regain some of its lost prestige in western Uttar Pradesh. A physician by profession and owner of a prominent group of hospitals, BJP's Mahesh Sharma won the high-profile seat with a remarkable margin of nearly 2 lakh votes in 2019 for the second consecutive term. Riding high on his local popularity and rising vote share, which went from nearly 50% in 2014 to over 56% in 2019, the RSS man rose the ranks from a young ABVP leader to find a spot in Modi's first cabinet.
कहाँ है वो गठबंधन? किसका गठबंधन? जो थके हुए लोग हैं, जो अपनी विपक्ष के आइडेंटिटी को छोड़ चुके हैं, जो मौका परस्ती का गठबंधन है, इसलिए इनसे कोई भला होने वाला नहीं है।
Once his close friend Mahendra Nagar is now Sharma's main political opponent. After 3 flip-flops, Akhilesh Yadav finally placed his bets on the Samajwadi veteran. With the opposition juggernaut rolling out on a cycle here, the UP ke ladke have made a comeback as the poster boys of India Bloc's campaign in this key constituency.
ये अलायंस कांग्रेस, समाजवादी पार्टी और आपका भी है इफेक्ट है थोड़ा, तीनों का है, बाकी CPI CPM भी है और उसका ग्राउंड लेवल पे इफेक्ट है कि जबरदस्त रेस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है। कास्ट सेंसस तो सबसे ज़्यादा बीजेपी करती है, मैं उसके उदाहरण भी आपको दे सकता हूँ, लेकिन अगर वो हमारे अखिलेश जी PDA की बात करते हैं, वो ये बात करते हैं कि हम इनका जनसंख्या का आकलन कराएंगे कितनी है, इसमें कोई नुकसान है क्या?
These imposing multi-storied buildings, however, house less than 30% of Noida's population, masking an unknown reality of the seemingly urban hub. Home also to over 11 lakh voters who earn their livelihood toiling away on the fields. 38-year-old Tejpal, who has a 2-acre field in his village in Gautam Budh Nagar, Sikandrabad, has been staring at back-to-back losses in the last few years, with extreme heat, unseasonal rain and stray animals ravaging his wheat crop.
वही 6,000 जो आम है 2,000 रुपए महीने के वही मिले बस।
तो आपको मतलब जो अनाज का नुकसान होता है उसके लिए सरकार की कोई मदद नहीं
ना, उसकी तरफ से कोई मदद ना करी। पिछली साल जो भी नुकसान हुआ उसकी कोई मदद नहीं करी।
24-year-old Anmol, whose father is an agricultural labourer like Tejpal, travels over 10 kilometers on his bicycle every day for his SSC coaching in the city.
गांव के लिए तो जो बहुत विकास हुआ और सड़क का निर्माण बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा, बस थोड़ा नौकरी की परेशानी चल रही है।
The caste arithmetic in these villages is central to a victory in the seat. The BSP is hoping for a consolidation of the Muslim and Dalit votes. A former Congress veteran and BSP candidate Rajendra Solanki says his direct fight is with the BJP.
मायावती ने हाईवे बनवाया, मायावती जी के टाइम में मेट्रो स्टार्ट हुई, तो मायावती जी ने जो काम किया है उस काम को देखते हुए यहाँ का जो हरिजन समाज है, जो SC समाज है, वो मायावती के प्रति नमन करता है और गोलबंद है।
None of the candidates, however, has an answer to the plight of the lakhs of home buyers fighting for a home to call their own in this so-called real estate paradise. These Noida residents are still without a home of their own despite having bought apartments several years ago. Deceived by builders, shrugged off by authorities, this group of 30,000 home buyers in Noida has decided to boycott the polls.
हम हजारों या लाखों लोग जो यहाँ पे हैं, किसी ने 2010 में खरीदा है, किसी ने 2015, किसी ने 2018, लेकिन कहानी सबकी एक ही है। पैसे पूरे दिए हैं, रजिस्ट्री हुई नहीं है, मालिकाना हक मिला नहीं है।
एक्चुअली देखिए, पूरे सिस्टम के विरोध ही ये लड़ाई है। एक तरह से आप बोल सकते हैं कि जो नोएडा एक्सटेंशन है, एक नोएडा एक्सटेंशन है।
In the last 1 year, nearly 6,000 apartments were launched in Noida that boasts of thousands of multi-storied buildings. But as Noida reaches new heights, security, maintenance and accountability fall to greater lows. Noida encapsulates the idea of a modern Indian planned city. It symbolizes aspiration. But there is a dark side to this real estate paradise as well. Corruption, fraud, deceit and home buyers having to bear the brunt of the alleged nexus between the government's authorities and builders. This time, they demand justice and a government that takes accountability. In Noida with camera persons Sushil Rathi and Arun Singh Negi, Vedant for NDTV.